What's the meaning of collation? Collation. Collation.
Collation. Collation. The term collation refers to the process of sorting and arranging items in a specific order. This can apply to various types of data, such as text or numbers, and is typically used to make the information easier to read or analyze. In general, collation involves comparing items based on a predetermined set of rules, such as alphabetical or numerical order, and then arranging them accordingly. The result of collation is a structured and organized presentation of the data that can be easily searched, referenced, or understood.